Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to discuss about how to use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. The video is basically prepared for students, those who are preparing for their seminar or dissertation project presentations. So in order to understand the basic part, how to start a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, in this video we are not going to use any AI tools, and we'll be learning from the basic level, and we'll be exploring all the features which is available in the PowerPoint presentations. So let's start with the default PowerPoint presentation, and we'll explore more details about it. So here you can see more themes. So as per the requirements, you also find more themes which is available in Microsoft. So according to the themes, education or business, you'll be getting a plenty amount of themes available from Microsoft. So in order to start with the blank presentation, so today we are going to start with the blank presentation. So click on blank presentation. So once you press the blank presentation, it get opened with a basic title that is called click to add title and click to add subtitles. So over here you see there is a part called under the home tab, new slides. So what is this new slides? So the new slides is basically help you out to make your presentation according to the content. So if you see here, the first part is only the title and content and section headers, and you want to make some two tabular content. So two contents we can parallelly make in slides, and you want to make some only titles, or you want to make some blank and with picture captions, you want to add some pictures and add some captions, we can add this. So today what we are going to do is we are going to start with blank presentation. So I will teach you out all these things in further videos, that is through master slides. So when you go for master slides, we'll be understanding how to prepare this kind of content. So in order to understand from blank, so how to start from blank, so just click on the blank. So once you click on the blank, you can see the difference. So the first slides have a click to add title, but the second slide is very blank, nothing is there, right? So this is how you need to understand how to start your presentation. So I always prefer to go with a blank presentation. So once you click on the blank presentation, so you get your part. So let me select all, and I just go for delete, and I'll click as blank. Okay, so now I have clicked on blank presentation, so nothing is to be added here. So what is the next step I want to proceed? So when I open presentation, now I am ready with my blank presentation. So now what you want to do is just go, first of all you want to make a size. So what is your border size or the PowerPoint presentation size? So when you are able to present on a screen, so that should have some pattern set of size, right? So like A4 size or A3 size or banner size. So what is the size of your margin? So if you see here, here is the rulers are present. So you can see the rulers are present in the horizontal as well as in vertical. So if you're not able to see this ruler, just go to the view. You can have a ruler options. So you can see this, select this slide, and you can see this ruler. So untick this, so that will be disappearing again. So you can use this ruler option, so in order to fix the size of your presentations. So now after this step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix my size as a A4 sheet size. So for that, just go to the design. So here you can see number of tabs are present in Microsoft PowerPoint. So home tab, insert, draw, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, record, review, and view and help. So just go to the design. Over here, if you see again, number of themes are available for you. So different color shades of themes are available. So I see many students use this kind of themes by default, and they make your make their presentations. So today let's be blank, and as I said, the slides size. So go to the slide size. So here you need to decide what is your size that you want to fix for your presentation, entire presentation. What should be your size? So two options are available. One is called a standard 4:3 ratio, and another one is called a widescreen 16:9. So this is my default right now. It is a widescreen 16:9 ratio, but I don't prefer this. Let's go for custom slides. So once you go to the custom slides, over here you can see the size. What is your size of your slide? So I'm just going to prefer with a size by A4 size. So I'll just prefer it A4. And again, you can see once you click A4, automatically the size is fixed, width and height is done. So here it is going to discuss about a portrait or landscape. So it's as similar to your Word document. So let's click on slides as a landscape, and notes. When you create at the bottom, you can see some notes. So how you want to create notes, that is in portrait. So let me click with A4 and slide is as a landscape, and just click OK. And make sure again it has you maximize or ensure fit or cancel. So you can click it as ensure fit, so the size comes as a proper part to fix on your screens. So right, so next things which you want to know, you might be familiar with this. So you can control these options. So as you increase the number of slides, you can add it and you can see the content. Right, so let's begin with this part. So once the size is done, the next is go home. Again, you can see a blank, so you can add a number of slides. So simply clicking by that, you can add number of slides. So second thing which you want to learn is about how to make a background settings. So background settings is basically used to have some attractive colors or some pictures. So in your slides, rather than white, you can add some attractive colors to your background of your slides. So how to do that? So again, you can go to the design tab. Over here you have format background. So click on the format background. You have options called solid fill, gradient fills. So what is this solid fill and gradient fill? So solid fill is basically used for colors, solid colors. So when you click on solid colors, you can see that background color changes, right? So that is called your solid colors. So when you have a background with solid colors, then you can go for it. Now again, you can adjust this transparencies. So you can adjust this colors transparencies with 50%, 60, or whatever it is. So next, again, the gradients. So what is called gradients? So gradient is nothing but mixing of two or more colors. So here you can see them gradients. So movable arrows are here. So this you can add some colors. So by adjusting this part, you can add some new colors. So if you mix some colors, so different color shades, gradients are created. So when you adjust this gradients level, you get a different shades of colors. So if you don't want, you can remove this arrows. You can remove this, so you can mix with two colors only. So these are the useful in the gradients. So how to use your gradient fill. The next is called your picture or textures. So picture and textures are basically used when you have some solid backgrounds like a sea background or mountain backgrounds you have, and you want to use as a background picture. Then you can go to insert picture directly, and also again Microsoft help you to get it from your file or from stock images or any online pictures. So if you go for some online pictures or stock images, so you can download any pictures from backgrounds, so you can insert that as your background slides. So this is how you know how to know this picture and texture fills. Next comes is your patterns. So patterns are basically like some solid strokes or some mixed up lines. So these are some patterns which you have. You can go ahead. Right. So that's how you want to know about how to use your background. So let's go with solid fill as a background for the first slide. Right. Second, after this, third thing which you want to know is all about most important thing, that is called your shapes. So what is the shapes and you how to use the shapes. So once you go here, over here you can see some different kind of shapes or objects are available. So these are different kind of shapes available. Just you want to make some title, or you want to create some unique shape or objects to be created, or you want to insert some pictures inside the shapes. So there we can use these options. So example, now I'm going to create some title. So I want to write a title here. So sorry. So I want to give some title here. So this way we can create some part of shapes. You can give a title and you can give your names. So this way we can use this insert shapes. So again, some you want to add your photos, you can add your photos and you can create your slides. Right. So further that what you want to know is all about how to merge or align your shapes. For example, let me take a simple example. I have one and I'm going to have one more, and I'm going to have one more. So I have arranged three different shapes. Now I'm going to add a picture in this. So I'm just going to add some picture. So go to insert. Again you have a pictures. So from device or online pictures. So let me take some online pictures. So I'll go to the online pictures. So I'm just going to insert this. So once it get inserted, sorry, just click on it. Okay, so now you see the picture is coming outside, right? It is not inside this particular box. So you can see this picture I want to insert in this particular shape or some in particular box. So how to do this? So just click this box and you can go for this copy, and also you can select this box. Over here you have a picture. Over here you have a picture. So there is a clipboard paste. So just click on clipboard. So now you can see that flight picture is available in this particular box. If you move and see, you can see this picture is available in this box. So this way we can arrange this picture inside this particular box. Okay, so what is next you want to know? So how I want to arrange a backward and forward. So example, let me change the color of this. Okay, so I want to arrange this particular box in forward and backward. So over here, once you click on the shapes, so once you click on the shape, on the right side you can see arrange tab. So this arrange tab help you to make which object should come forward, which object should go backward. So if you select backward, now you can see the blue goes back and green colors come forward. So in such case we can arrange your presentations or any shapes which you want using this arrange pans. And similarly you can also merge, or you want cut, or you want a union or two shapes. So that also is possible. So select these two shapes together. Once you select, go for shape format. Just go for a shape format. Over here is the option called merge shape. So here you can see union, combine, and fragment, and intersect and subtract. So these are some interesting features in PowerPoint. So you can make your own shapes. So if you want to create some own shapes, so you can create a n number of shapes like this. So you can create this and select both together, and then go to shape format and subtract, or you can use combine. So these are the ways you can create your own shape, your own styles of PowerPoint presentation as required. Okay, so after discussing about the shape, now we are going to discuss about that is called transitions. So what is called transition tabs? So why we need to go for transition tab? So transition is when you have some a number of slides. So you have some good pictures, or you have some images. So you want to make some transitions between the slides. So when you like this, so there are a number of effects which is available in PowerPoint. You can use all this kind of features or effects how to make your slide presentations. Okay, so I'll come to this part in detail in further videos. Next part which I want to discuss quickly in this video is all about your animations. Yes, so everybody is interested to learn about animations, how to make a very interesting animations. So more animations also sometimes creates a board presentations. So I request not to add more animations because it takes more time, or it may bored for the participants to see your presentations. So make it very simple and basic level. So one of the most interesting things which you can learn in animation is all about moving pathway animations. So in order to do that, let's go for a picture. So let me insert some pictures over here. So yes, I'm just going to add this picture, right? So let's have some move pathway animations. So how to create a pathway animations? So just go for animation. Over here you have some custom path. so motion path animation. Under that you can click on custom path. So if you click on custom path, draw the line, so which direction you want to go, and just press enter. Now you can see that like and share button goes as per your path. So this way we can control this, and also you can reduce the speed. So you want to reduce the speed, you can click it on 20 seconds and you can see again. So you can see that. So now you can see it start moving very slowly. So I have given more time for it. So as the path is drawn, the motion path animation goes in that directions. So these are some interesting things which you will be learning in Microsoft PowerPoint. Right, fine. So n number of options are again there. So you can add any objects. You can add some icons also. You can create some animation to that. Right, so let's see this animation. So again here, so select this object, you can go for grill. So right, so there are some kind of good features of animations which you can go ahead, you can practice out of it. Right, so the next part which you want to learn in Microsoft is all about your that is called grouping. So what is called grouping? So grouping is helpful when you have some 2 or 3 objects. So I have one, let me take another circle. So let me take another circle. So there are 3 circles on my presentation right now. So I want to move this particular 3 object at a single time. So if you see, I want to select one by one, right? I want to select one by one, then I want to move somewhere else. So if you see here, all these 3 are individually. So let's group it. So how to group this as a single part? So as you see here as a arrange pen, there is an option also called group. So just go for group. So now you can see at a single click, you can move everything in a single group. So it goes in a group. Okay, so all are in a particular box. So you want to ungroup this. So it's very simple. Again, just click it. Again, go for shape format. There is an option called ungroup. So you can change it and move it as a part. So these are the way which you should understand group and ungroup options which is available in PowerPoint presentation. Next part which you want to understand in this is, as you are done with the Microsoft PowerPoint, Word. So here also you have some part called times, New Roman, font style settings, paragraph settings. All these are also available in this part. So you don't want to type again and again, change the times to Times New Romans or any other things again and again, so you can reduce the time. So this kind of work is also can be reduced in PowerPoint. So that all comes in the concept called master views. So when you go to view, and there is called slide master view. So when you go to slide master view, you can control your entire PPT. You want some logos to be fixed in entire slides. You want to have some logos. So example, if you want to go for some logos, so I just go for some basic logos. So let's go for some logos. So I'm just going to go for this logo. So I need this logo in every presentation. So I need this logo in my every presentation. So I'm just doing roughly right now. So just close it. Now if you see, once time only I pasted. So when I insert a new slide, so automatically my logo is there. It cannot be moved now. You can't move, you can't delete it. So this is the way you learn very fast how to use a slide master. So in upcoming video, we'll be discussing about the slide master. In that video, we'll be discussing about how to fix your fonts, how to fix your font styles and alignments. So paragraphing, how to copy a content from online source and how to you put it in your presentation without any modification, or with less time you can make a good presentation. So I hope this basic level presentation made you to understand something about your backgrounds and how to use your objects and how to use your group and ungroup. So how to fix your logos. So in next video we'll be discussing more detail about slide master. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.